Can we recover permanently deleted Instagram account after 30 days? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to figure out if we can recover a permanently deleted account after 30 days. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So for this, we'll actually go through the deletion process. So let's head over to our Instagram, head over to our profile on the bottom right, and then tap on the three lines on the top right corner. Now we'll head over to Account Center, the Meta Account Center, so tap on it. After that, under Account Settings, you will see your personal information and permissions, so tap on it, and there you will see an option to simply delete your account. So sorry, my bad. Head over to Personal Details. There you will see Account Ownership and Control. Tap on it, and from here head over to Deactivation or Deletion. So on here, select your profile and let's select delete and then tap on continue. Now I'll just select anything here, tap on continue again and type in the password. Now what that will do is that will delete my Insta account. Now there is a 30 days waiting, Instagram holds your account for 30 days, giving you a chance to change your mind. Now after the 30-day grace period, you can just log back in to keep your account safe, to recover your account. But if you don't recover your account within that 30 days, your permanent removal will take place. Once Instagram account is permanently deleted after 30 days, it cannot be recovered and it cannot be used, as your associated username will now be public and be, available for use for anyone else. Your username will not be not be available, and similarly all of your data on Instagram will get deleted from their servers. So that's the reason why you cannot recover permanently deleted account after 30 days. So if you do want to recover your account, you can just recover it before the 30 days grace period end. So yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.